Hi, this is Doug Sillers with the AT&T Developer Program, and I'm going to walk through the new network attenuation feature that is part of the ARO 5.1 release. To run the network attenuator, we have to run a typical ARO network trace, and we do that by going to Data Collector and clicking Start Collector. In this menu, you'll see a bunch of the new features that have come out in ARO 5.1. One is multiple device support. So I have two devices connected to my computer at this time. I want to run this trace on my Nexus 6. And the other feature that I'm not going to go through on this video is that we can record video at low res, HD, SD, or no video. I'll record it at HD. We'll post the video later on YouTube for people to watch so you can see the quality of the video that's being recorded. But what I want to talk to you today about is throttling the network. And the idea behind the network attenuator is that we can throttle the network and see what your app looks like on a slower network. And it's always the same speed. And I'm going to go to 3G. And I know that at about 130 millisecond delay, we're going to see about a throughput of 1.9 megabytes per second. All right, and so now I'm going to call it attenuator test. And we're going to start the trace. Now, this network attenuator is only attenuating downlink traffic. Hopefully in a future release we will have uplink traffic also attenuated, but for now it's just downlink. And so what we'll do is we're going to test it. I have the ARO trace running on my phone. You can see the VPN is running with the little lock right there. I'm going to open up my browser, and I'm going to use testmy.net. And the reason I use testmy.net versus other speed test sort of measurement tools is this one is designed to work well with VPNs. And you can see a previous test I ran over Wi-Fi I was getting 28.4 megabytes per second. So I'm going to run a new test here. Start download speed test. And now that the test is complete, we can see that indeed the speed of my network went from 28 megabits per second down to about 1.9 megabits per second, allowing me now to test any application I'd like to test at a slower speed, at approximately a 3G speed. You can see that the slider goes all the way out to edge, and we plan to expand it even further out so you can test at a very, very slow network conditions. We're really excited about this new tool, and we'd love your feedback on how you're using it and ways that we can improve it. So please send us emails, write to us in our forums, and let us know what you think about ARO and our new network attenuation feature. Thanks for watching.